got loyalty, got royalty inside my DNA.
What's going on, ShoeTube? It's your man, Dr. Kicks, back at it with another Soul Supremacy beater box unboxing. This is the final third box of the 3 sequential boxes that I've unboxed today. Hop on that Einstein gang. We would love to have you. There's open spots always available. Definitely join, subscribe. Thank you to all the subscribers that have subscribed thus far and commented and interacted with me. I really appreciate it. I wouldn't be able to do this without you guys. And a big shout out to Soul Supremacy. Thank you so much for sending the boxes my way. So if you're new to my channel, what I always do is I unbox a pair of shoes from my personal collection every single video to kick the video off. Today what we have is a pair of Air Jordan 1. I'm a big fan of 1s. This is from the Camo Pack. These are in a retro. This is actually a recent release, but I really dig this pair, and I wear them all the time. I really like the way they look on feet. This whole upper right here is 3M, so at night it's really cool. Comment down below with something that you rock for the day or something from your personal collection that you really enjoy wearing. As I mentioned earlier, this is a Soul Supremacy beater box. It's the last 3 of the 3 that I unboxed today. This is a $700 beater box, so it's $740 shipped. So let's dig in. Right when I look in, I see 1 pair without a box, so let's just get into that first. These are a pair of Jordan 10s from the City Pack, and these are the Rio editions. These are a size 11. It's come without a box. Pretty clean overall, not too many dirt marks. Bottom's a little bit used up. Upper is looking really clean. A little bit of creasing here on the side. Pretty good overall shape. As you guys know, 10s don't have that big of a market, but these are actually a pretty cool pair. Let's get into another pair. This is a kid's shoe. It looks like Jordan 4. These are Jordan 4s, in fact. These are the alternate 89s, Jordan 4s. This is a red and white colorway. These are in dead stock condition, still factory laced, bottoms never touched, never used. These are a pretty cool pair. I actually have a pair of size 12 for my personal collection. I like 4s a lot, and I think the white and red is a pretty clean colorway. Next up, let's keep it with the Jordan theme. This is a Jordan box, Jordan 14 and 6. Oh, these are a nice pair. So these are a pair of Jordan 6. These are actually the Laker 6s. You can see the purple and gold on the air right there, and all of this stitching right here on the uppers, on the midsole, kind of alternates between purple and gold stitching, which is really a nice touch. Suede right here on the toe box is extremely buttery. These are in really good condition. I've worn a couple of times. They are a bigger size 14. Comes with the original box, so OG all. That's definitely a nice pickup. Next up, let's transition to Adidas a little bit. So these look like an EQT Support. That's what they are. These are the Pusha T's, EQT Supports. Right here you can see on this little lace lock, it says King Push, which is a pretty cool touch. These are dead stock, come with the lace bag attached. These are a size 6. This is a size 10, Jordan 13. These are the Jordan 13 Chicagos. These also appear to be dead stock, or you know what, maybe tried on one time. I see little slight markings indicating that they might be tried on, but they are in excellent shape overall. These are a size 10, and these are the more recent releases, the 2016s. Comes with the original box. Next up, we got this Nike box. Looks like a Jordan 1, size 12 and a half. And these are a really nice pair. Wow, so this box has been kicking so far. These are a pair of Jordan 1 Quai 54s. So the Quai 54 is a little backstory to them. That's a international street ball competition. Jordan brand sponsored, affiliated, so they always come up with their own shoes for each annual edition of the Quai 54 street ball tournament. So these were the 1 editions. You guys might be familiar with the 2s. These were a recent release, I think from last year, if I'm not mistaken, 2016. These are dead stock, size 12 and a half. These are really cool. And we have 2 boxes left. Looks like both the same boxes. The Jordan 22 box. Not too familiar on 22s, but these look like, just not really sure what these are, just a black and red colorway of the 22s. These are dead stock condition. Come with some accessories on the inside. Original box. So it's a pretty cool shoe, pretty nice. Next up, another Jordan 22. This is the exact same shoe, just white. This also seems to be in dead stock condition. and it's a size 11 and a half on these, a size 11 on the black and reds. Size 11 on the black and reds, size 11 and a half on the whites and red ones here. Comes with OG everything, original box, shoes are in unworn condition. So overall, my thoughts on the box, I thought it was a really good box from top to bottom. We definitely had a lot of pairs that were in unworn dead stock condition, some heat with the Quai 54s. Please comment down below with your rating of this box, what you thought of the box overall. And as always, have a great day. I'm your man, Dr. Kicks, and I'm out. Thank you.